Today's story is about Tom and Mac's hidden fortune. In the small town of Maplewood, there were two best friends named Tom and Mac. Every day after school, they would walk home together, taking the same path that wound through the quiet streets. But one afternoon, something unusual caught Tom's eye. "Mac, look at that," he said, pointing to a narrow trail that branched off from their usual route. The trail led into a dense patch of woods that neither of them had ever explored. Mac grinned, his eyes sparkling with curiosity. "Do you want to check it out? It looks like an adventure waiting to happen." Tom hesitated for a moment, but then he nodded. "Let's go. But we have to be careful and not take too long." The two friends ventured down the overgrown path, their excitement growing with each step. The woods were thick with towering trees and the ground was covered in fallen leaves, crunching beneath their feet. The sunlight filtered through the branches, casting playful shadows around them. As they walked deeper into the woods, they stumbled upon a strange sight. At the base of an old oak tree, there was a small mound of dirt that looked freshly disturbed. Tom knelt down to inspect it. "Do you think something's buried here?" he asked. Mac leaned in, curious. "Maybe. It looks like someone dug here recently. What if it's something valuable?" Without another word, they started to dig with their hands, eager to discover what was hidden beneath the soil. It wasn't long before they uncovered a small wooden box, worn and weathered by time. Their hearts raced as they pulled it out of the ground.
Tom's hands trembled as he carefully opened the box. Inside, they found an astonishing collection of jewelry. There were necklaces with glimmering gems, rings that sparkled in the sunlight, and bracelets that looked like they belonged to royalty. "Wow, this is incredible," Mac whispered, his eyes wide with amazement. "Do you think it's someone's lost treasure?" Tom nodded slowly, unable to tear his eyes away from the dazzling sight. "It must be. But who could it belong to? And why was it buried here?" Mac thought for a moment. "We should probably take it to the police. They can figure out where it came from." Tom agreed. "You're right. We can't just keep it. What if someone is looking for it?" They carefully closed the box and decided to head straight to the police station. On the way, they couldn't help but imagine all sorts of stories about the treasure. Had it belonged to a pirate who had buried it long ago? Or perhaps a rich noble who had hidden it during troubled times? When they arrived at the police station, they nervously explained what they had found. The officer on duty listened carefully, his expression serious as he examined the jewelry. "This is quite a find," the officer said. "It's good that you brought it to us. We'll check to see if anyone has reported anything like this missing." Days passed, and Tom and Mac could hardly focus on anything else. They wondered what would happen to the treasure and if they would ever know its true story.
A week later, they received a call from the police. "We looked into the jewelry you found," the police officer told them. "It turns out, it's very old, likely from over 100 years ago. There are no records of it being reported lost or stolen. The town council has decided that since you two found it, you're allowed to keep some of it as a reward." Tom and Mac were thrilled. They each chose a few pieces to keep as mementos of their incredible discovery. Tom picked a delicate bracelet with a shimmering sapphire, while Mac chose a gold ring with an emerald stone. As they walked home that day, they couldn't stop smiling. They had found a real treasure, but more importantly, they knew they had done the right thing by turning it in. The experience had brought them even closer as friends and given them a memory they would treasure forever. The trail through the woods became their secret spot, a place they would visit whenever they wanted to reminisce about their adventure. And as they grew older, the story of the hidden treasure of Maplewood became one they loved to tell. a reminder of the magical day they had shared and the bond that would last a lifetime.
Thanks for watching.